The Jamaican expression for today is wanga got.
Wanga got?
What do you think wanga got means? What do you think?
One goat that hit us.
What? Wait. What does it mean?
One goat that hit us.
One goat that hit us?
Yes. That and the goat goes up.
Wait. I didn't say. I said the expression is wanga got, not one goat got.
I think it's a dirty gut.
Hi babes, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Out here full, honey? Out here full? Outside full?
Raining.
I said if it's full.
How likely so was there?
You guys, it's raining like crazy. It's early in the morning and everybody is up. And I got ready to work out, made my green juice and sipping it. And was making Tyler his usual toast and tea, and I hear a little voice behind me. Mama, can I have some porridge? So that starts my workout because I'm in the kitchen. I have to be making porridge for my boy. I love when he said he wants porridge, so I won't refuse him that at all. At all. So I'm making him cornmeal porridge, his favorite.
I want cornmeal.
He prefer cornmeal porridge over oats porridge any day because you know he loves polenta. So I am making some porridge for Tyler right now. And then I'm gonna jump into workout. I think I'm gonna work out inside today because outside is raining. And though I can still work out in my workout space, but Sarah is comfortable in her playpen and I can see her, and Tyler needs to jump right into schoolwork after he finishes his porridge. So I'm gonna try multitask. So I think I can able to do that this morning. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed. Get what you have to get done by any means. Whether you have to multitask, half task, whatever you need to do. Just whatever you need to do, just do it and get it done. Anyway, you guys, if it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe. And you guys better keep up with the family. You guys will see the rest of the family in a bit. But right now, I'm getting my boy's porridge done. And in my porridge, I have milk, coconut milk, the cornmeal, and now I am adding salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, where is it? And vanilla. Yeah, girl. And when I finish cooking, of course, I'll sweeten it with tea milk. And somebody will be happy. Somebody will be happy. Oh, happy day. And for my breakfast after workout, this is what it's gonna be. And in here I have oats, sunflower seed, flax seed, wheat, one yogurt, and almond milk. And I put this in my fridge overnight. Or another way for you to enjoy it is to make it 4 hours before you eat it. So yeah, that's breakfast. So it's like half of the container, the jar. Say good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
I'm
You waiting on your porridge?
yes, but Mama,
Yes.
look what's on the TV. Paw Patrol, but did you know what?
What?
I already watched that type of Paw Patrol. Look, you see? They're in different type of clothes.
Oh,
Paw Patrol.
okay.
It's because they're all going in Zuma's team, and then they're all going in Rocky's team.
Okay. All right. Say morning, husband.
Morning, guys.
Babe, I'm picking up laundry, then he's gonna have breakfast and get ready for work. Let's show you guys the princess. Good morning, princess. Good morning, morning. This workout was so good. Workout was bomb. I got it in and I feel proud. But outside is also going on bomb. Let me show you guys outside. See all that water outside? It's raining like crazy. Non-stop. Multitasking is on. Sarah took a little cat nap for her morning nap. And while she was napping, I decided that okay, perfect time to get not breakfast, lunch and dinner ready. And there she goes. Wake up. Normally she would take a 2.5 hour morning nap, but this morning she only nap like 35 minutes. So I'm still in the kitchen, and because she's teething so bad, she just wanna be in my hand. So I am making dinner. And for Tyler, for dinner for Tyler, I am making some cheesy mashed potato. So this is potato with butter, cheese, and some milk. And then I steamed broccoli and carrot over there. And I have barbecue chicken going in the oven. Chicken is done, veggies ready, and mashed potato is ready. Yeah, girl. Job here is done for today. And who's ready for lunch? Who's ready for lunch? Who's ready for lunch? Ha! You're ready for lunch? Yes. You're ready? You're ready? You're ready for lunch? Yes. Yes. Say mama, 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 lunch please. Mama, 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 mama. Say mama, 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 mama.
Gideon! 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 Gideon!
What kind of face is that? What kind of face is that? What kind of face is that? Hmm? What kind of face is that? What are you doing? I still don't hear what you're doing. What are you doing? Ty? What you doing? Alright, come here. Come sit beside me. Come.
Activity I need to do?
No! I need to do activity when it's night. It's time for bed. What kind of activity you talking about?
It's just that I want to do some Sudoku.
You do Sudoku tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
What's the Jamaican expression for today? What's the expression you're gonna give them?
No, the French.
What's the French expression for today?
Where's the first the Jamaican?
Okay, so tell me. What's the Jamaican?
The Jamaican.
Oh, you want the book?
Yes.
Okay, look in the book. Yeah,
No,
Jamaican.
you.
Oh, you want me to give you the expression?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, the first page I open. Let's see. Okay. The Jamaican expression for today is wanga got.
One guy go.
What do you think wanga got means?
Say
What do you think?
one goat that hit us.
What? Wait. What does it mean?
One goat that hit us.
One goat that hit us?
That and the
Wait,
goat
wait.
go down.
Wait. I didn't say. I said the expression is wanga got, not one goat got. Wanga got.
One guy goat?
Yes.
I don't know what it
Honey, come here.
One guy goat?
Wanga got.
Oh, I think it means just one goat.
You made me think about it. Tyler say, come in. Tyler say he thinks that wanga goat means just one goat. What do you think wanga goat means?
Wanga goat.
Wanga goat. Goat.
Wanga goat.
I didn't say goat, I said goat. What do you think wanga goat means?
Wanga goat. I think it's when you.
Tyler, you're gonna let my computer fall. Stop.
I think it's a dirty goat.
Why you and Tyler think I'm saying goat?
You're not saying goat?
No, goat.
Goat.
Goat. Not a goat.
Oh,
Goat.
G-O-T.
G-U-T. Goat.
G-U? No.
Yeah, G-U-T. Goat. Not
G-O-T.
goat. G-U-T.
What is that? I never heard
I
of
didn't.
that
Alright,
word.
listen to me. Goat. Goat. Got. Got. Got.
Don't play with me. Mama playing with us.
Wait.
What does do that?
G-U-T is got.
What
G-O-T
means?
is got.
I really don't know what that means. That's the first time I
You have the
heard that
remote
word.
close by? G-U-T is got.
Yeah, but what-
G-O-T is got. You hear the difference? Got. And then you have the animal goat. So you have goat, got, and gut.
Yeah, but gut is goat in Jamaican Patois.
Alright, gut mean your stomach, your belly. Gut.
Ah.
Gut. So your gut
Your
big
tummy.
like your tummy is gut.
Okay.
If I say wanga gut, what does
you're sick.
wanga gut mean?
Yeah.
That means.
Your stomach giving trouble.
That means.
That means you eat everything. You're always hungry.
Close!
Yeah.
Close! Close!
That
Stop shouting. Close, baby. Close.
means.
So you eat everything.
Somebody
you're
that
greedy.
eats so much.
So you're greedy.
Mama.
You
Yeah.
greedy?
I think I know
greedy?
what that
You
means.
greedy?
I think I know what that means, Mama.
What does it mean?
I think it means somebody is every time hungry that he eats 1,000 everything.
Yes, you're right. It means the person is greedy.
Is there. Alright.
Good job. Alright, say night night to the face. Oh, the French expression. What's the French expression?
It's called Get the body.
What?
Get the body.
Alright. What's the French expression?
Pie.
What is pie? Straw.
Pie is chore. That's a
Pie.
French
Pie.
chore.
We only eat pie. We not drink pie.
You don't
Pie
drink pie. You drink
Pie is
with a
something
pie.
you eat.
No, pie is not something you eat. You drink with a pie. You don't eat pie.
Okay.
You don't eat plastic pie, and plastic pie is forbidden now.
Pie is something you eat in English.
No, I'm not talking about English. I'm talking about French. Ha!
Alright.
And pie, you don't supposed to eat pie, because pie is not healthy for you. Pie is only healthy for me.
Okay, wanga goat. Ha!
Yes.
Alright, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the
You're
French
sad.
expression for today.
Your life is sad without cake. Yes, you're sad.
Anyway, you get it?
Make sure you get it.
You guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.